morning students. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we will do exercises from chapter 3, the parts of speech from your grammar book. First, we will do our homework part which I have given you in my previous video. All of you please take out your grammar book and open page number 21. Hope all of you have done your homework. I have noticed that many of you are watching the videos but not giving attendance, means you are not writing your name, class with section in the comment section below the video. Please don't do that. After watching your videos, write your name, class with section for your attendance. If you will not write your name, then you will be marked as absent. So please write your name with your class and section in the comment section below the video. Okay, now let's begin our class. So your homework was exercise A, B and C. In first exercise you have to do the match the following. So the first is pronouns. Pronouns will go with the word which is given in the third last words that replace noun. So match there. Then the second is noun. Noun will go with naming words. Third is verbs. Verbs are doing verb. Now adjective. Adjective will go last where it is written words that modify nouns or pronouns. Now adverbs. Adverbs words that modify verb, adverb, adjective or verb. Now preposition. Prepositions are the words that relate noun or pronoun to each other. Now coming to conjunctions are the words that link words or sentences, means they are also called linking words. Now coming to interjections. Interjections is given on the top words that express sudden feeling. Hope you have done. Now the second exercise is which part of speech are the words given in red. So there are few words which are written in bold in red color. So you have to find out which part of speech is this. There are total 8 parts of speech which we have studied in our previous class. So the first is there is a big balloon in the sky. So here in is written in red color. In is a preposition because in is telling about the position that balloon kahan hai, आसमान में है. Okay, so in is a preposition. Now coming to second, please speak clearly. So how the sentence speak clearly? Clearly here it is adverb. Adverb modifies the verb. Here speak is a verb, so it is modifying the verb clearly. कैसे बोल रहा है? अच्छे से बोल, साफ बोल रहा है. ओके, सो बोलना क्या हुआ? आपका वर्ब हुआ. वर्ब क्या होता है? एक्शन विद द वर्ड्स व्हिच टेल्स अबाउट योर एक्शन और स्टेट. स्टेट मींस स्थिति, जिस पोजीशन में आप हैं. ओके, सो द सेकंड इज एडवर्ब. थर्ड, रोहित wears glasses. So wears is a verb. Now coming to fourth, the elephant is large but timid. So but is a conjunction because the two sentences are joined by the word but. But means conjunctions are, earlier we have told you conjunctions are the words which are used for linking the two sentences, the words like and, but, so, because. So these all are linking words, they are called conjunctions. Now coming to fifth, hurrah, we won the match. So it is interjection because hurrah, this tells about your feeling that you are happy. Now sixth, Rahul, please pass the ball. Rahul is written in red. Rahul is the name of a boy, so it is noun, proper noun. Okay. 7, all the players are very tall. All the players are very tall. Tall is an adjective. Now 8, he is reading. So he is a pronoun. Which pronoun? Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun tells about the person of whom you are talking. Okay. Now coming to 6, coming to C exercise, in this circle the adverbs and underline the verbs in the following sentences. In this you have to circle the adverb, means where the adverb is there you have to circle, and where verb is given you have to underline. So here is this exercise. The first is the soldiers fought bravely. So here fought is what? It is verb. So you will underline, bravely you will circle. It is adverb. Now the second is the dog is barking fiercely. So barking is an verb, fiercely is an adverb. Now coming to third, Rahul skate beautifully. So this is verb, beautifully is an adverb because it is modifying the noun. कि कैसे sketch किया, बहुत सुंदर sketch किया. Okay. Now fourth, the birds are singing sweetly. Singing is a verb. Okay. Sweetly is an adverb. Fifth, it is raining heavily. So raining is a verb. Heavily is an adverb. Coming to sixth, the king ruled wisely. So rule is an verb. Wisely is an adverb. Now eighth, the candle burned quickly. Sorry, it is underlined. It is verb. Burn quickly. Quickly is an adverb. Okay. Now coming to 8, he ran fast. So run is a verb. Fast is an adverb because telling about the action that he run fast. Okay. So run is an action, and here it is modifying the verb. Fast is an adverb. कैसे दौड़ रहा है? तेज से दौड़ रहा है. So here it is modifying the verb. Okay. Now see the 9th. The sun is shining brightly. So shining is an verb. Brightly is an adverb. Gandhiji always spoke the truth. So spoke is an verb. Truth is an adverb. Hope you all have done. Now students, take out page number 22. Exercise D. In this you have to write the correct form of the following words given in the bracket to fill in the blanks in each sentence. So the words are given in your bracket, you have to fill it. So the first is follow my dash, and in bracket it is written advice. So what will come? Follow my advice will come. See here I have written the answers. Okay. Second is it is dash for you to work hard. So what will come? Advisable. Okay. Advice will not come. Here you will write like this, advisable. Okay. Now see the third. Ooty is a dash hill station of South India. So here it is written beauty. Beauty will not come. Here beautiful will come. Now see the fourth. You must dash your maths lesson. So practice. Okay. Now see the fifth. Control your dash students. Laughter will come. Okay. Sixth. The teacher asked dash to be punctual. So what will come? Ask him. He will not come. Him will come. Okay. 7. She is a dash dancer. Famous. Fame will not come. It will change to famous. 8. The teacher shouted dash at him loudly. Will come. 9. Show and study wins the race. So you have heard this. Okay. 10. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Testable. Okay. Dramatist will come. Okay. Drama will not come. Now coming to E. In this you have to circle the preposition and underline the conjunction in the following sentences. So where there is given preposition you have to circle it, and conjunction you have to underline. Okay. Prepositions are the words which tells about the position or place of some word or something. And conjunctions are the linking words like the words or, so, but. So they all are linking words. So now see the first one. The cat is under the table. So is there any preposition or conjunction? Yes, there is preposition under. Cat कहाँ है? चेयर के टेबल के अंदर है. So it's telling about the position. Under is a preposition, so you have to circle it. Now coming to second, Ram and Shyam are sitting in the park. So now can you find where is preposition? Okay, now see from starting. Okay, Ram and is a conjunction, so you will underline because two words are joined here. And Shyam are sitting in is a preposition, so you have to circle it. In the park, कहाँ बैठे थे? पार्क में बैठे थे. So studying about the position. So in is a preposition. Now coming to third one, Manu and Rajat are at the door. So here again and is in conjunction. Are at the door. At is in preposition. Now see the fourth one. Jack is good at sports but poor in his studies. So now you can see that Jack is good at. At is in preposition. Sports but is a conjunction. But poor in his studies. Okay. Now coming to fifth. Zita is standing before James and after Jenny in the queue. So here Zita is standing before. Before is a preposition. Okay. James and is a conjunction here. After is also preposition. Jenny in the queue. In is a preposition. Okay. Tell about the position. Hope you all have done. Number 23, exercise G. In this you have to correct the following sentences and write them in the blanks given. So the words which are given here are wrong. So the sentence are wrong. You have to write the correct sentences here. So the first word is Ghosh. We have won the match. So you have to rewrite it. By rewriting you will get Hurrah, we have won the match. Okay, I have written here answers only. Now see the second one. Oh no, the food is very tasty. So when you say the food is very tasty, you never say na oh no. Oh no reflects your sadness. Okay, when you see that the food is tasty, you always say wow. So here wow will come. Wow, the food is very tasty. Wow with an exclamation mark because it is showing your sudden feeling. Now see the third one. Well done friends, you played really bad. So when you played really bad, no one says that well done. Okay, so what will come here? Oh no friends with an exclamation mark, you played really bad. Now see the fourth. Thank God he was not saved. So this is wrong. You will write like this. Thank God you could save him. Now see the last one, fifth. My goodness, exclamation marks. I just remember it. So the answer is my goodness with an exclamation mark. I have remembered it well. Hope you all have done. So your homework for today is exercise F and exercise H, which is given on page number 23. Do your homework and don't forget to write your name, class and section on a comment section below the video. So write your name and class with your section for your attendance. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, be safe and stay at home. Thank you.